Today's video, feeding the birds. In this video, I am going to show my birds, but in this video, I am only going to feed them, not introducing them in detail. There will be a video in which I will introduce them in detail, and it will be super funny. And I am sure you guys will love it. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. I am going to feed them watermelon, wheat bran chacker, and pearl millet bajra. Wheat bran chacker is very healthy for animals, and they love it. Need to add water in it so they engulf it easily. Okay, now everything is ready. Let's go and feed them. While she's going inside, hey, come out and eat with your friends. Oh wow, there is an egg of turkey. Ducks really love watermelon. They are flying instead of eating. All of them are really friendly. We haven't cleaned since 3 days, so the fodder and grass is all on the ground, and there droppings too, so please ignore the mess. The greenery of the fields looks so beautiful in it. Make the environment fresh. And in the evening, the sunset looks beautiful too. At this time, the chirping of birds is like music. No, don't eat that stone. Let me throw it out. We grow vegetables in a small area. I will show my little garden full of plants later in another video. Okay, let's go downstairs. Don't forget to wash your hands. It's very important. Thanks for watching. To watch more, subscribe, like, and share.